Good day, Madam and Sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jordan Filolino. My family background is five members, one brother and three sisters. I have kids, one girl and one boy, but not married. My hobby is gardening, cooking, and explore my house, what is fixed, what I can do every day. I'm a person is my time is not I don't want to waste my time to any kind of networking. All I want is my busy day, have a lot things to do to the encourage me to work in Hong Kong is the preserve preserve what kind of disease is the culture, native culture in a clean environment. That's also uh, a good employer. I'm not believe any employer is a bad. It's depend how to you to initiate to him, how to be a kind. I don't believe there any trouble to I see in the Facebook. Work about reason is to my son and one adopted son also and my stepdaughter. Just daughter of my just the first daughter of my wife. Someday, if I go to Hong Kong and get some job or work, all dedicate is for the two kids to go to school. Take some degrees also. Singing baby song, Ali, Allison. Tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, and a day with Bisaya songs. Kung ikaw mo sayo, paminawon ko ug pananglit yamiran mo mga panumpawong isalig ko ug galing kalit kang mubiya di ko kapugngan walog kong mga luha kay ikaw akong himaya handumon ko mugtag karunog unya ikaw langit ug yuta akon pinangga. That's Bisaya song. It's a love song also with a melo to go to sleep. Thank you.